Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in the cleanest of garages. This garage has to be cleaned at some point and I'm gonna do it. I just really don't know when. I have no idea. I don't even wanna, I don't know, I kinda lack the motivation to just clean everything and make it organized. I don't even have a tool chest. I need a tool chest first. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. Today we're gonna be talking about my new brakes and calipers and rotors and pads and the whole 9 yards, everything. Chances are you came to this video because of the title, and yes, that is true. I did get them for 500 bucks. It's just being smart, and don't ask me if you can get it too, because chances are you can't, because you can't. Now you're gonna be asking also how I got these pads for pads, calipers, brakes, all of it for 500 bucks. That's because I keep an eye out on Facebook Marketplace. I got most of these parts that are on this car, my 350, are from Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, Letgo, all of that stuff. I do get good deals on them because I always constantly look for stuff that I sometimes don't need, but also you can get good stuff like the pads. So I'm just gonna go quickly over them and show you the condition, and yeah, maybe you want to start looking out on these classifieds marketplaces, so you can find something for your car too. Alright, so here are the brakes. These are the rotors that are very dirty, that need to be cleaned, but no big deal, I can clean those out. So these are the calipers, Brembos. These are the fronts, and here are the rear calipers. So also look at those pads. They still have 80% life in them all around. They're all pretty good shape for what it is. Also, these bolts right here, you need these bolts from the Brembo calipers of the NISMO or wherever you get it from, in case you don't have a NISMO Brembo caliper car. If your car doesn't come with Brembos, you need these. My hand looks like Spider-Man. Those are what those are, because your bolts are not gonna fit. Also, another thing, your rotors in the back are gonna be bigger. So these are bigger than the ones I have on right now. So the dust shield has to come off when I'm installing these. But I'll have a video on all of that later. These are not the big brake kit Brembos or anything like that. They're just OEM Brembos from a NISMO. So they did come in the one of the packages of the 350, just not in mine. Mine is the enthusiast package. The one that it came with was track or touring, I think track. I don't know, I'll have to double check on that. So as far as these calipers, they're red classic standard Brembo calipers. I do need to clean them, but I'll have a video on that as well. What the hell is this? I'll have a video on that as well, but I'm gonna clean these out. And I might possibly be painting them. I'm not sure yet. I do want to first clean them off and see how good it looks. But I might be painting them a different color. If you have any ideas, definitely let me know if you would want to see a specific color or anything like that. I do have a color in mind that I do want to paint them, but I'm open to ideas, so let me know. So that'll be it for today's video. I just wanted to show you that I got Brembo calipers for my car. I'm just really excited that it was such a good deal. Honestly, if you're watching this, go to Facebook Marketplace, go to Craigslist, OfferUp, Letgo, wherever else marketplaces that you can find. Go on there and search for your parts before buying brand new. Chances are you might get a really good deal. If I got these brand new, I think it would cost about $1,600, 18, maybe 2 grand, upwards of 2 grand. There's used ones for 1,600, but I got a used listing on eBay was $1,600 or $1,700, something like that. Make sure to always check Facebook, Craigslist, OfferUp, Letgo, wherever, all your marketplaces. But that'll be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let me know down below by liking the video. That's how you let me know. But I'll see you in another video. Peace. Oh, subscribe, yeah, subscribe for more content. Peace.